Baa Baa Rainbow Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, yes sir. Colors so cool. Red for the farmer, blue for the sky, green for the trees. Oh my, oh my. Baa Baa Red Sheep, what do you say? I've got wool as bright as day, soft and warm, oh don't you know? Take it, wear it, off you go. Jump, jump, spin around, rainbow colors all around. Red, blue, yellow too, what color will come to you? Baa Baa Blue Sheep, what do you see? A big blue ocean, come swim with me. Splish and splash, the waves go high, blue like the bright blue sky. Baa Baa Yellow Sheep, shining bright, golden wool like the sunlight. Soft and cozy, warm and sweet, wrap up snug from head to feet. Jump, jump, spin around, rainbow colors all around. Red, blue, yellow too, what color will come to you? Back to you. Baa Baa Green Sheep, here I go, rolling around in the grass below. Leaves and trees, fresh and new, green like a frog, really for you. Baa Baa Purple Sheep, soft as air, like a grape or a teddy bear. Deep like the night sky's twinkle glow, shining bright like stars below. Mix the colors, what do you see? Red and yellow make orangey, blue and yellow turn to green. Colors make the world so keen. Baa Baa Rainbow Sheep, wool so bright, shining colors, what a sight. One for you and one for me, rainbow wool